here in the Philippines. You see, this is how Riway gives value to its people. That's why, just like what our CSA Regional Director Jacqueline said, if there is an event just like this, we should be aiming to be the next one. Don't be the one, be the next one. So, before we continue our leadership training seminar, I would like to ask a question. Is our food good?
Yes.
Are you still hungry?
No.
Usually, if I would be asking such question, people would answer, yes. Hungry for what? Hungry for what? Just like what Claudia, our senior director said during the leaders recognition night, we have to maintain that kind of hunger. We have to maintain the kind of spirit that we have in order to continue the motivation, the momentum that Riway Philippines has. So today, can you give again a big round of applause to each and every one of you? So let's continue our leadership training seminar. So our next speaker for today is someone that if the leader would say, she will just follow. Whatever her leader would say, she would just follow 100%. Why? Because you see, inside Riway International, we keep on hearing this, just follow. Just follow foolishly. Just follow blindly. Why? It's because when we follow, we are following what the leaders has been done, what the leaders has already achieved. Why? We are following the things that they have achieved. That's why the things that our leaders, that your leaders are saying, they are saying this in order for you to also achieve what they have achieved. So you see, the next speaker that I am about to call in front is someone that, who's following 100%. Why? Because I remember the time when she was just fighting for her current rank, Team Elite Monoceros. This person, during her run, during her fight, was actually bedridden. So you see, those Team Elites, they know that in order for them to achieve such particular rank, they have to achieve this in 3 consecutive months. So this person, when she's fighting for her current rank, she was actually bedridden for 3 months. Bedridden, and yet still can achieve what she has achieved in Riway International. So you see, why I'm sharing this is because maybe this is a reminder for us that whatever the problems, whatever the struggles that we are facing, if we know what we want, we will be achieving this. So who is this person? He is our Team Elite Monoceros, Karen Bella.